hip circles.
Maybe you should take it back to the camera's face. What are you doing?
Show me your push-ups, Connor.
Okay.
You can go on your knees, but you have to raise your bum. Show us the jumping jacks. Good job. What's your favorite move? What's your favorite exercise? Do you like to stick your bum out?
Yeah, and I will it. I mean my crotch.
I was going to say.
Yeah, so did I.
C-O-C-K.
That's what I thought too.
Okay, good job, Connor. Where's your other soccer shoe?
No, Mom. Mom, I'm gonna leave them right there. So, cause tomorrow I'm gonna wear them.
No, they're not going to fit you for a while. Mommy's going to store them so they fit you. You have a really nice tan right now. Your face is a nice tan.
Connor, how old are you?
How old are you? Tell Auntie Brett. Well, you just had a birthday. How old are you? Oh, you're 2, aren't you? I forgot.
Yeah, Connor's 2.
Connor, how many fingers are you? 5?
I told him how now he doesn't have to just hold up a couple fingers. He shows his whole hand. Whose birthday is it today?
Mommy.
Are you going to sing me happy birthday again?
No.
Sing mommy happy birthday. You do more hip circles.